T60 ICU Ventilator. Operation Introduction. First, confirm that the power supply and oxygen high-pressure pipeline are connected, and the breathing circuit and other connections are correct. T60 ICU Ventilator is an advanced turbine-driven ventilator. Connect to the hospital's central oxygen supply or oxygen cylinder, both OK. Then let's take a look at the panel and operation buttons of the T60 ventilator. Power key, power on/off. Mute key, silence the alarm. Manual ventilation key, when pressing manual key, it enters the inspiratory status and provides a certain flow rate of mixed gas for a maximum time of no more than 12 seconds. When released, the key will release the gas that switched to expiratory status. Return key, return to the previous step. Shuttle adjustment/confirmation button, adjust parameter values and confirm. Turn on the machine, enter the patient selection interface. First step, you can choose adult, pediatric and neonate. Second step, you can choose invasive and non-invasive options. Third step, you can choose male/female. Fourth step, you can setting and adjust height. Under adult, pediatric. Under the neonate interface, you can setting ideal weight. After confirmation, click Setting. Then enter the self-test interface. In this interface, we can see the previous self-test records, self-test items, results, and time. Click System Self, and the machine starts self-testing. Enter host compliance test. Close the patient connection port. There is a cap in the machine's accessories, use it to cover the connection port. Click Start to begin testing. Enter hose resistance test. Open the patient connection port. Remove the cap. Click Start to begin testing. Enter patient flow sensor test. Use another connector to reverse flow sensor connection at patient end and the patient connection port is opening. Click Start to begin testing. Connect the flow sensor of patient end forwardly to the breathing tube, remove the connector. Click Start to begin testing. Then complete the self-test. Enter the VCV mode, click Start on the upper right side of the screen and the ventilator will start working. All setting options of the ventilator can be operated through the main interface. The main display interface can display respiratory parameters, pressure/flow/volume waveforms, and pulmonary function donut charts, etc. The main interface display may be different under different configurations. Ventilation mode display area. The current ventilation mode is displayed. Click this area, enter into ventilation mode selection. Patient type and patient mode display area. The current patient type, adults/pediatric/neonates, and current patient mode, invasive/non-invasive, height, and body weight are displayed. This area is not clickable. Alarm information display area. The mute 120 seconds countdown and current alarm information are displayed. Screen lock, power status, and system time display area. The current screen lock status, lock and unlock are displayed. Click this icon to switch the lock screen status. Featured functional area. This area displays the nebulization, inhalation save, exhalation save, oxygenation/sputum suction, screenshot, and standby buttons. Parameter setting area. The current ventilation setting parameters are displayed. Click this area or press the shuttle adjustment/confirmation key to start parameter settings, and make parameter changes by rotating the shuttle adjustment/confirmation knob. Monitoring display area. The currently monitored parameter data is displayed. Click the monitoring switching button to switch monitoring display items. Waveform display area. The waveforms, loops, trend graphs, or monitoring data are displayed. First, let's look at the waveform display area. Click the setting, and we can see freeze, comparison, waveform, wave/loop, loop, pulmosite, and zoom options. You can display different waveforms and loops as well as long dynamic graphs as needed. Click Setting of Lung Dynamic Graphs to set the parameters. Trend display 3 trends at the same time. Click the setting to choose to display different curves and times. System alarm. Set the alarm parameters. Generally, the alarm parameters for each breathing mode have been set. Event can record 72 hours of operation records. Backlight to adjust the backlight brightness. Sound, adjust the alarm volume. Language, adjust the language in standby mode. Calibration, in standby mode, oxygen cell calibration. Day/night, select day/night mode. Measure, choose to measure intrinsic positive end expiratory pressure or airway occlusion pressure. On the right side of the featured functional area, click Neb. The system will pop up the nebulization dialog box. Rotate the shuttle adjustment/confirmation key to set the time required for nebulization. Click the Start button to start nebulization. Click Ins Hold, the system will pop up the inspiration holding dialog box. Click the Start button, and the system starts to perform the inspiration holding function. Click EXP Hold, and the system will pop up the expiration holding dialog box. Click the Start button, and the system starts to perform the expiration holding function. Click Add Oxygen, the system will complete the oxygenation/sputum suction step by step. After the first oxygenation, 2 minutes, is completed, the sputum suction process begins. Click Screen, quickly take a screenshot and save it. Parameter setting area, different breathing modes have different setting parameters. In VCV mode, click the screen parameters, then adjust the knob to increase or decrease, and then confirm. T60 breathing uses advanced algorithms. If the adjusted value is unreasonable, a prompt will pop up to remind the doctor to check the possible problems with the setting parameters. If we need to switch patients, first click Stop to enter standby mode. Then click the patient type in patient mode display area in the upper left corner and select pediatric or neonate. After confirmation, click Setting and perform self-test again. For more operating guidance, please refer to next video. Thank you.